Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents crispy prawn balls. Take 1 large boiled potato. Mash it well. Add 200 grams baby prawns. If you don't have baby prawns, take prawns and chop them finely. Add half cup rice flour. 1½ tablespoons tamarind pulp. 1 tablespoon gram flour. 1 tablespoon semolina. 1 chopped onion. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander chili paste. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Add a handful of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Immerse the bread slice in water and squeeze out the water. Combine well. Do not add additional water. Crack 2 eggs. Add pinch of salt. Beat well. Keep aside, we'll use it later. Grease your palms with oil. Take a handful of mixture. Make balls as shown. Do this for all. Take a handful of mixture. Make balls as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. Refrigerate for some time, it will help to handle it easily. Dip the ball into the beaten eggs. Coat with beaten eggs. Now coat with breadcrumbs. Coat properly. Dip it in the beaten eggs. Coat with breadcrumbs. Coat properly. Repeat the same procedure for all. Again, keep in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Heat up the oil for frying. Place prawn balls on it. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes on each side on low to medium flame. Flip and cook from the other side too. Fry until crisp golden brown. Once done, remove it. Remove it. Dish out. Serve hot with tomato ketchup or chutneys. Place crispy prawn balls. Do try this super delicious crispy prawn balls recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Let me show you the other one. It goes very well with ketchup or chutney. Do try and enjoy. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.